are going to get straight into this video. We are going to add 1 tablespoon of sea moss. I get mine from a company called Lux Juice Co. I will put the link in the description box for very good high quality sea moss. We are also going to add 1 tablespoon of seaweed powder. And then 1/4 of a teaspoon of bamboo extract. And of course, I cannot forget to mention the amazing benefits of each of these ingredients. Bamboo extract, to start, contains natural antioxidants which work to protect your skin against harmful free radicals and UV damage. This ingredient is so powerful. It really does help to repair your skin's natural barrier as it becomes weakened over time, of course. Then we have seaweed powder. So, of course, seaweed is a powerful detoxifying ingredient. It deeply nourishes your skin and it also reduces oily skin. So if you suffer with oily skin, which I'm very combination, so I like to use this ingredient periodically. This is the perfect ingredient for you. And of course, it treats acne and it helps with eczema. And then we have sea moss. Sea moss, the OG. This is like a superhero ingredient. I've mentioned in my previous videos how good it is for your internal, and it's just as good for your external. It really helps to maintain hydrated, supple skin. If you suffer with dry and irritated skin, it really helps to add moisture to your skin and really just soothe that irritated skin. And my liquid of choice today is going to be rose water, because why not? But really you can use any liquid you choose. Water, green tea, witch hazel, rose water. You can honestly use anything, it doesn't really matter. And now I'm just gonna let the music play while I apply this mask. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video.